Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video. My channel is eisenhardj.m. Don't forget to subscribe, like. I do videos on a daily basis, bringing you websites and apps. Today I'm just gonna wing it a little. Tell you how I got onto YouTube and my daily schedule. Well, to go back a little, my previous job, I quit my job where I worked in October, end of October, right around Halloween. Well, I was a security officer for 5 years. Previous, I worked in healthcare. Previous to that, I was working factory life. I hated working factory life with a passion. It was not me at all. Healthcare, I kind of like it, but situation arose where it just wasn't. I was working part-time and I just couldn't swing it. So I applied to be a security officer. That opportunity gave me full-time and beyond. I worked more than full-time. There was a time where I worked 80 hours, 150 hours every 2 weeks for months straight. Then, eventually, they hired a little bit more people, and I went down to 40. Then, not to make a long story, make it a little short, to get back to where I'm at, well, this was individual contracting. The contract to where I worked came up. To keep a job, I tried a job where I had to travel 45 minutes away. And I just didn't like it. So I just quit and started dedicating my time to YouTube. As you can see in the beginning, this is my first video. First video I ever made. So like I said, right around Halloween. At first, bear with me, I was a little nervous, green, still green, Still learning the ropes. I started learning, getting a little better. Well, trying to get better. I'm always trying to improve. Improve and improve. So, when I show you guys websites, my routine right now, I have 2 active YouTube channels. This channel and another channel. This channel, I'm more serious. My other channel, just me. More relaxed. Just me free flowing. Following my other passion. So, that's a little bit of me, and I'd like to give a shout out to all my subscribers. Appreciate it very, very much. And right now, go back into, I'd like to show you my top 5 sites, YouTube or survey sites. Prize Rebel. I'm gonna try to actively bump up to the next level. Guys, I'm trying to show transparency as much as I can. I'm just a regular guy, just like you guys, trying to make a living. The reason I like Prize Rebel, why it's my number 1, is, like I told you before, gold. Instant PayPal cash out. My second, Survey Junkie. Same. PayPal instant. Within 5 minutes. Instant. My other one is Paid Viewpoint. This isn't instant, but you don't get rejected from any survey. And I just cashed out recently. Like I said, I could show you. Well, it's back a little bit. Yeah, right there. March 15th. March 29th. Just recently cashed out. And another one of my faves, Feature Points. I'm already up to $10. You can get $3 to $5 daily on your. I haven't been using it as much because I've been busy. I'm gonna step it up on here. And another one of my faves, Perk TV. I use this daily, grinding. It's either app trailers, Perk Live, or I come on here. I'll do 2 tabs. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. My little about me and my routine and what I do. That's all I got for this one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like. So next video, guys. Peace, guys. I'm out.